If you want to turn your photos black and white, then there are various desaturation options inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with the saturation option, you need to go around onto the colors menu right here, and over here you can see that desaturate is an option right here. So now over here you can see that color to gray is an option. So what it does, it goes around and converts everything out into grayscale, as you can see right here. You can go around and change around the radius right here just like this, and change around the number of samples right here just like this to make subtle changes right here just like this. You can also go around and enhance out the shadows, as you can see right here, so that you get more details out of the shadows, as you can see right here just like this, so that the darker parts get more detailed, as you can see right here just like this. So you can see the preview right here on how detailed the black and white photo actually gets right here. So this is one way to actually go around and desaturate the color. Let me just press cancel right here, and in color I'm going to go around over here, and from color to gray I'm going to go for desaturate option right here. This is a straight black and white option, as you can see right here. So it uses luminance to actually desaturate, but you can also go for luma right here just like this. This is another lightness, and if you were to go for lightness right here, then you can see that the grasses, the green gets more darker. You can go for average right here and go for value right here just like this as well. So different way to go around and then work around with the black and white mode, as you can see right here just like this. It's another way to desaturate the color. Then you got mono mixer, as you can see right here, where you can work around with the red channel. So you can make the red channel more brighter or darker right here just like this, and you can also work around with the green channel and the blue channel. You can preserve the luminosity and change around the red channel, as you can see right here. So you can remove out the red right here, let's say for example, change out the blue right here, make the sky more darker, as you can see right here just like this, and you can also work around with the green channel right there. So that is what you have. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, and then go around onto the final desaturation option, and that is sepia right here, which is more like an old photo effect right here. You can change around the level of effect of sepia, as you can see right here just like this, and work around with sRGB, as you can see right here just like that. So that is how you can work around with desaturate color option inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.